各位聽眾大家好，歡迎收睇 Pantry Talk。Pantry Talk 專為想透過真實商業新聞，提升商業英語能力嘅廣東話專業人士而設。我係你哋嘅主持。今日我哋要傾嘅財經熱話係關於印尼股市近期嘅大幅波動。由於外國投資者大規模撤資，加上風險評級可能被下調嘅憂慮，印尼股市經歷咗一場急劇嘅拋售潮。點解呢件事咁重要呢？因為股票市場嘅表現直接反映咗投資者嘅信心、資金嘅流向同埋宏觀經濟嘅風險。所以無論你係全球投資者定係區域性嘅企業，呢個消息都同你息息相關。首先我哋總結一下成件事嘅來龍去脈。印尼嘅股票市場，尤其係雅加達綜合指數，喺短短2日之內大跌，甚至觸發咗交易暫停機制。呢次跌市嘅主要推手係外國投資者。事件嘅導火線係指數供應商 MSCI 發出警告，指出印尼市場喺基本投資能力同埋透明度方面存在問題。呢個警告引發咗市場恐慌，擔心印尼可能會由新興市場被降級為邊境市場。雪上加霜嘅係，高盛亦都下調咗對印尼股票嘅評級。喺更大嘅背景下，市場本身已經對印尼新總統上任後嘅經濟前景、財政狀況以及持續疲弱嘅印尼盾感到擔憂。不過，面對呢次拋售，亦有唔同嘅聲音。有啲本地投資者同印尼財政部長就認為，呢次調整可能係一個買入嘅好機會，亦都係一個推動市場長遠改革嘅契機。為咗應對危機，印尼當局已經開始採取措施，例如提高上市公司嘅公眾持股量要求，以提升市場透明度。了解完最新嘅市場動態，我哋嚟到今日嘅詞彙學習環節，我哋會教大家5個同今次主題相關嘅財經英文詞彙。第一個字係 sell off，sell off 中文意思係拋售。佢形容嘅係投資者喺短時間內大量賣出股票或者其他資產，通常係因為壞消息或者市場恐慌。喺今次印尼嘅事件入面， MSCI 嘅警告就引發咗一場大規模嘅 sell off。例句 The market experienced a sharp sell-off following the negative news。 第二個字係 index provider。Index provider 即係指數供應商，呢啲公司負責創建同維護好似恒生指數、標普500呢類嘅股票市場指數。佢哋嘅決定，例如係咪將一個國家納入某個指數，會直接影響資金流向。今次事件入面嘅 MSCI 就係全球最有影響力嘅 index provider 之一。例句 The index provider announced changes to its emerging markets index。 第三個字係 foreign capital。Foreign capital 意思係外國資本，佢指嘅係嚟自其他國家嘅投資資金，對於新興市場嘅發展非常重要。但係 foreign capital 嘅流動性好高，一有風吹草動就可能迅速撤離，引發市場動盪。例句 The country is trying to attract more foreign capital to boost its economy。 第四個字係 fiscal deficit。Fiscal deficit 即係財政赤字，當一個政府嘅支出超過佢嘅稅收等收入時，就會出現財政赤字。持續擴大嘅 fiscal deficit 會令投資者擔心政府嘅償債能力同經濟嘅健康狀況。呢個亦都係國際投資者擔心印尼經濟嘅其中一個原因。例句 The government is taking steps to reduce the fiscal deficit。 第五個字係 downgrade risk。Downgrade risk 就係降級風險，佢指一個國家、公司或者金融產品嘅信用評級或者市場分類有被調低嘅可能性。今次印尼面臨嘅就係由新興市場降級到邊境市場嘅風險。呢個 downgrade risk 會導致被逼性嘅資金外流。例句 Investors are concerned about the downgrade risk of the country's debt。學完單詞，我哋嚟聽一段模擬對話，睇下喺辦公室 pantry 同事之間會點樣傾呢個話題。
Hey, Chloe, got a minute? Did you see the news about the Indonesian market?
Hey Ben, I did. It's pretty wild. A massive sell-off, something like 16% in 2 days?
Exactly. The market sentiment has just completely soured. It seems like the MSCI warning about investability issues was the main trigger.
Right, and now there's a serious downgrade risk of being reclassified from an emerging to a frontier market. That would be a huge blow.
For sure. The real concern now is preventing widespread capital flight. If those index tracking funds are forced to sell, it could get much worse.
Sorry, Ben, just to clarify, what does capital flight mean exactly in this context? Is it just a technical term for selling?
Good question. It's more than just selling. It refers to a large-scale, rapid exit of money and assets from a country. It's usually driven by fear of economic instability or loss of confidence, which is exactly what's happening here. It puts immense pressure on the local currency and the whole financial system.
That makes sense. So the government's main challenge is to restore the confidence of the foreign investor community.
Absolutely. They've announced some measures to improve transparency, like increasing free float requirements. But it's going to be tough to turn that market sentiment around quickly.
Well, let's keep an eye on it. It'll be a key risk factor for our regional portfolio. Thanks for the chat, Ben. 希望頭先嘅對話可以幫到大家理解點樣應用呢啲詞彙。節目到咗尾聲，我哋嚟快速重溫一次今日學過嘅5個詞語 ：sell-off 拋售、index provider 指數供應商、foreign capital 外國資本、fiscal deficit 財政赤字同埋 downgrade risk 降級風險。希望大家以後睇相關新聞嘅時候，會對呢啲詞更加敏感，不妨喺工作會議或者電郵入面試下用佢哋，會令你嘅表達更精準、更專業。今集嘅 Pantry Talk 就到呢度，多謝收聽，我哋下集再見。